Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. The diagnostic trouble code DTC P0230 pertains to the fuel pump primary circuit in the 2022 and later models of the Honda Civic. This code activates when the powertrain control module, PCM, detects an abnormality in the output voltage or current from the PGM-FI main relay 2. This means that there's an issue within the electrical components that manage fuel delivery to the engine. The PCM relies on a correctly functioning fuel pump operation to ensure optimal engine performance, and any irregular voltage readings will trigger this DTC, indicating that further diagnosis is needed to pinpoint the exact cause of the problem. DTC P0230 signifies a disruption in the fuel pump's primary circuit. The components chiefly involved include the PGM-FI main relay 2 and the PCM, or powertrain control module. The PGM-FI main relay 2 is located within the vehicle's relay box, typically found under the hood or dashboard. This relay plays a crucial role in powering the fuel pump, controlling the flow of electricity based on the PCM signals. If the PCM detects an unexpected state in the output voltage or current from the relay that it cannot correct or monitor, it will trigger the P0230 error code. Hence, it's vital for technicians to assess not just the relay, but also its connections and wiring integrity. Several conditions could lead to the activation of DTC P0230. Firstly, a faulty PGM-FI main relay 2 may not appropriately control the fuel pump operation, resulting in abnormal output readings. It is imperative to check if this relay is functioning correctly. Additionally, damaged wiring or poor connections, particularly in the fuel pump RLY class circuit, can lead to improper voltage transfer and trigger this code. Lastly, a failure within the PCM itself is a possible cause, particularly if other diagnostic checks show normal results elsewhere. Properly isolating these potential problems is key to effective troubleshooting. Vehicles with DTC P0230 may exhibit multiple symptoms related to fuel delivery issues. The most common symptom is the engine failing to start due to no fuel being delivered from the pump. In cases where it does start, you might notice reduced engine performance, stalling, or hesitation during acceleration due to insufficient fuel flow. These symptoms reflect an imbalance in the power supply to the fuel pump, leading to poor engine efficiency. Identifying these early signs can help avoid more significant mechanical failures caused by inadequate fuel supply, emphasizing the importance of swift diagnostic action. The first step in troubleshooting DTC P0230 involves starting the engine to assess the operational state of the fuel pump circuit. By starting the engine, technicians can observe the behavior of the PGM-FI main relay 2's output as the PCM signals it to function. During this stage, pay special attention to whether the relay clicks or operates normally, as this can provide immediate feedback about its condition. If the relay does not engage, or if there are no signs of fuel pump activity, further inspection of the relay and its connections is necessary. This foundational step is critical for guiding subsequent diagnostic efforts. In the second troubleshooting step, the focus is on testing the PGM-FI main relay 2 directly. Technicians will disconnect the relay and perform a continuity test to ensure that the relay functions under normal conditions. An open or short in the relay could readily explain the P0230 DTC. It is also crucial to visually inspect the surrounding circuit for signs of damage or poor connections that could affect its performance. The relay's terminals must be checked for corrosion or looseness, as these can impede electrical flow. Results from this step will significantly influence the diagnosis path, The next step in the troubleshooting sequence focuses on inspecting the fuel pump RLY-CL circuit, which is critical for the proper function of the fuel pump relay. This step involves checking both the continuity and integrity of the wiring within this circuit. When checking for shorts or opens, the technician should disconnect the PGM-FI main relay 2 and measure resistance to ensure it is within specified limits. An open circuit, or resistance of less than 1 ohm, indicates an issue that could prevent proper relay signaling. The opposite is also true for shorts. Proper resistance readings should reflect no shorts to ground or power. Addressing any findings during this step is critical to restoring full function. The final step of the troubleshooting process is to inspect the PCM, or powertrain control module, for any potential failures. This inspection involves checking for any DTCs that may point to other issues and determining overall PCM functionality. If the previous checks for the PGM-FI main relay 2 and fuel pump RLY-CL circuit have yielded normal results, then it is reasonable to suspect that the PCM may have developed a fault. Inspecting the PCM will involve checking its connectors and ensuring that all pins are secure and free from corrosion. Failure in the PCM will typically require replacement to resolve the issue indicated by DTC P0230. After completing the necessary repairs associated with DTC P0230, a final verification step is essential to ensure the issue has been resolved. The technician should reset the DTC and run the engine to monitor if the trouble code reactivates. During this process, it is critical to observe the fuel pump operation, including sounds of normal functioning and observing engine performance. Additionally, the PCM may provide real-time data that indicates voltage and current levels within the fuel pump circuit are back to normal. Only after confirming that everything operates correctly should the vehicle be considered ready for return to service. Preventive maintenance can significantly reduce the chances of encountering DTC P0230 in the future. Technicians should regularly inspect all wiring related to the fuel pump circuit for any signs of wear or damage, as exposed wires can lead to shorts or breaks that trigger fault codes. Additionally, periodic tests of the PGM-FI main relay can help catch potential issues before they escalate. Checking connectors for corrosion and ensuring all components are securely connected should become standard practice. Implementing these maintenance strategies can prolong the longevity and reliability of the fuel delivery system in Honda Civic models. In conclusion, understanding DTC P0230 involves recognizing the importance of the fuel pump primary circuit's health and functionality within the Honda Civic 2022 Plus. By precisely identifying key components such as the PGM-FI main relay, comprehending their roles, and following a systematic troubleshooting approach, technicians can effectively address faults. The causes could vary from relay failure to wiring and PCM issues, highlighting the need for thorough inspections. Once repairs are made, confirming that the engine runs smoothly without triggering new codes is crucial. Implementing preventive tips can ensure ongoing reliability and performance for drivers, emphasizing the importance of regular maintenance checks. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time!